Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to look at NIO Stock. It's the Chinese EV company, and we all know that on Friday it tanked 14%. So this might be the opportunity for you to buy. So the reason why NIO stock tanked 14% was actually because Goldman Sachs actually said that people and investors were being way too optimistic on the stock, and their average price on the stock is $7, and they made their hold position into a sell position because they think that it's an overbought stock, which I guess because the EV market has been going up a lot, and I said this in my previous video too with my Helion stock and why I recommend that, so go check that out. But all these EV stocks were going up way too much, and the main reason for that was Tesla stock. I mean, if you look at Tesla stock, it went from literally around 300 to, I don't know, it's not loading, but okay, loaded. It literally went from like 300 or 400 to 1,500, and its market cap is almost 300 billion, which is absolutely insane. I personally think this company is overvalued. But let's get back to NIO stock, because NIO is at a cheap discount, and NIO has been actually rising a lot. Because if you look at its 1 month, maybe it was just $6, and 6 months ago it was just $2.40. I'm pretty sure if I go 1 year back, I can see it at the $1 range. So this stock has gone up 10 times. In the hype phase, it even, let me see, and 1 month ago, it went to $15.90. So it has a market cap of 13 billion. And let me just tell you guys a little bit about this company. So these are the models the company has. It's gonna be getting this coupe car. It probably looks like a Mercedes coupe, and I really like the design. So I'm really interested in this company, to be honest. And I'm pretty sure it's called the EC6. And the price range is actually pretty cheap. It's around 40,000 to 50,000, so it's much cheaper than Tesla. And I don't think everyone can afford a Tesla right now. So if you want an EV car, you probably go to NIO. It's not like a company like Fisher, which is going to be rolling out cars in 2022. This company's been rolling out cars for the past 2 years, and its IPO price, believe it or not, was literally $11. So in 2 years' time, it's basically just back to where it was. So if you bought it in the start with the IPO price, it's just back to neutral. I do think there's a big support at the 10 price for NIO stock, and I think it's gonna hold up above 10 in my personal opinion, because it had this breakout at 10, as you can see here, and it absolutely went like another 50% higher, and now it's retracted a bit down. So this may be the opportunity for you guys to buy this stock. Some other things I like about NIO stock is their services. So if you look at their services, they basically get, if you get stuck or anything, they literally get a car to wherever you are, and they just charge for you. And they've got NIO Power as well. It looks like a power station like this, and it's 24/7 work-free services. So they have amazing services, which is really helpful. And I really like their logo. They're pretty much futuristic, like Tesla. Let's go ahead and look at this video. And I'm pretty optimistic on NIO stock. I'm really sad I didn't buy this stock on Monday. Let's watch this video. So, damn, this car is nice. It's very nice. So, this is their powerhouse, basically. They have some nice wheels, and yeah, two batteries. All right, so you get the point. They're pretty much very cool, and I would look to play options on this company too, and buy maybe credit spreads expiring next year, because I'm pretty optimistic on this company, and I would like to buy like around $1,000 of stock for this company at least. I missed out on Friday, but I should get some on Monday. Hopefully it'll open to maybe a little bit lower, and that's about it. But for options, you could also buy call options. They are a bit risky. I would look to buy it at strike price 15 for next year, because that would be something to look at, basically. The next thing I want to be talking about is their CEO. So this is the CEO of NIO, guys. He's basically a Chinese businessman. His net worth is 1.4 billion, and his age is 45, and he's from China. So that's not bad, guys. 45 years old. A lot is possible. So his education, if I look, sorry, is here, and he's basically like the CEO of a parent company at Kukulaku, and his education is pretty sweet. He's like Trevor Middleton, um, Thomas Healy, the guy we talked about yesterday, and Hylion. So the education is important for CEOs, and as you can see, he's been working for this company for a lot of time. Not much information, which is a bit concerning, but I think this company is going to go up as Tesla stock goes up. Obviously, if Tesla stock doesn't perform that good in the next 1 year, maybe NIO stock might not too, because I do believe these companies can coexist with each other, but Tesla stock is a bit on the hype. So if this comes down, your NIO stock would probably come down. And my second warning is if the market, the general like Dow Jones, S&P 500 is falling, your stock would probably also fall. So you can't really time the market. If you believe in a stock, you really believe in it, because if you buy a stock and the market's falling, your stock will fall. So it's not like your company's doing bad or anything like that. Like this whole pandemic came, and Tesla stock went from like 1,000 or 900 to like half the price. So that's what can pretty much happen, guys. Tesla's an amazing company. I will probably talk about it. I do think it's a bit overvalued today, and probably I'll talk about Shopify because that's really overvalued. And I will be looking at more EV stocks because I'm pretty interested in EV stocks and 5G stocks, and I'll keep you guys updated with my personal favorite stocks. And today we saw NIO with a nice 15% juicy discount, so it's a great stock for the future to pick up. Obviously, Goldman doesn't believe it, but that doesn't change my opinion. Maybe if the breakout below 10 happens, it might go to 7, but I'm seeing a pretty strong support at 10 level. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to the channel and maybe like this video. And that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time.